Now, the crown jewel to all of this. What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and I got a pretty exciting video tonight. Things that I've been adding to my collection over the past couple weeks. Now, admittedly, this stuff was pretty much going in the garbage. My aunt had a flood, and everything got ruined. Everything got ruined, and it pretty much did. But she found it as an excuse to just throw everything away. And kind of pick some stuff up. Kind of robbed my aunt a little bit, but don't tell her. So let me start with the small things first. So the first thing I got these. Now, admittedly, these I just asked my cousin if I could have because he doesn't use them. I told him I would not sell these or anything like that, but I got myself a nice Game Boy Color. Got myself a nice Game Boy Color and Nintendo. Was it this is the DS? Are these the DSs? Advance, Game Boy Advance SP. Forgive me. Um, this the Advance had Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 in it. The Game Boy Color had a working Pokemon Red. I did things still got power. I did not add batteries. I swear to God. Thing still has power. I don't know if you guys could see. Yeah, look at that. You get the audio in there. I don't know. No, I don't think you guys could hear the audio, but look at that. That's pretty cool. So I got that. I got the two Game Boys. Um, I also got an Xbox. Just an Xbox. It was in a case. Um, Now this one I'm not sure if it works yet, but it had all the wires and it came in a case. The case is in the garage. I took it. I'm gonna find out if that Xbox even works. But either way, I already have an Xbox like that without the wires. So no matter what, I have a complete Xbox set. Um, so that's also pretty exciting, and a bunch of games. Now I'm just gonna go game by game because I don't know what if anything's worth anything. It doesn't matter. I'm keeping all of this stuff. It was all free, so for me to go sell it would be grimy as hell. So this is just kind of like a keep thing. So we got Mafia, Soul Calibur 2, The Herbs, Sims in the City. I don't know what my cousin was playing, but we got Leisure Suite Larry, Harry Potter Chamber of Secrets, respectable game. Simpsons, Hit and Run, respectable game. And all the games are in there. Every single one's got a game. Really cool. Medal of Honor, Frontline rather. That's just some of them. We got NFL Fever, Simpsons Road Trip, Seablade, Sega GT 2002, respectable game, Harry Potter Quidditch, Enclave, Aggressive Incline, the best skating game ever. Aggressive Incline. This is one that I will probably actually go ahead and play. And then Air Force Delta Storm. Just a couple more games. Red Card 23, 03, 2003. The Sims, Music Generator 3. I don't know what that is. Desert Storm, Dead to Rights, Crimson Skies, and the original Spider Man. And then I got one more stack. SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom. Probably gonna actually play this one as well. Full Spectrum Warrior, Ghost Recon, Tony Hawk Pro Skater 3, Red Dead Revolver, and Star Wars Starfighter Special Edition. Now, the crown jewel to all of this. Not actually worth much. I looked it up on eBay. If the thing was minty and it had all the parts, $200. This doesn't have the battery. It's not in the best condition, but it's in great condition. And it was going in the garbage. And this thing is sick. Look at this. VHS Video Maker. Look at this thing. This was going in the garbage. Look at that. This thing is so cool. Nobody, none of my cousins, my aunt, nobody seemed to think that this thing was interesting. This thing's in great. Like, this thing is fucking sick. My wife, what do you need it for? Why don't I need it? Look at this thing. Yeah, that's cool. This is probably the coolest pickup. But yeah, I just thought a little video show you. Oh, and my anniversary, my dating anniversary passed, and I guess my wife watches my videos. So I got to add these two to my collection. Compliments to the wife. Compliments to the wife. I graded the Entei in a 9. So now she basically said, step your shit up. She got me 10s. I graded a 9. She didn't have to rub it in my face that I don't know how to grade, but nonetheless, pretty cool month as far as things that I got to collect, and I'm probably going to keep for a very, very long time. So let me know what you guys think. What do you think is the coolest, regardless of price, the coolest thing that I kind of picked up? Let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited. I got some pretty cool stuff. Can't wait to display them. See you guys in the next video.